Hey, YouTube's got a new feature called YouTube Live Redirects. What is Live Redirects? Well, if you ever were on Twitch or if you hang out on Twitch, then you know about raids. Raids basically is when a Twitch streamer suddenly says, hey everybody, we're going to go over to this person's channel and I'm going to carry all you over there with me. YouTube's got the same feature now, except they've done it different and they've done it for the better. Hopefully they'll get a better name. We'll all wind up calling it rating or something, but that's what they call it.
Amazing function. Oh, by the way, Roy, can
Yes.
anybody use the redirect function that has been rolled out by YouTube?
Yes, as long as you don't have any community strikes against you, you absolutely can. The cool thing, so if you want to redirect to someone, you do have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and no community strikes. And if you want someone to redirect to you, anybody can. You just have to be live at that time or have a premiere scheduled around that time. And then, ta-da, magic happens and people show up. Yep. So if you want someone to be able to redirect to you, then you go to your YouTube studio, which, I'll go to my channel first and show you real quick. So here is my channel. And then click on your little icon right here up in the corner. I'll wiggle the mouse, see it right here. And go to YouTube Studio. And then go to Settings. And hopefully, so scroll down real slow. All right, Live Redirects. So right here under Community tab, under Community, Live Redirects. You set who you want to be able to get to your channel. But if you have this checkbox set, this one right here, so, all right, there we go. Allow live redirects from channels I subscribe to. And if you, like it says here, the option is disabled if your channel subscriptions are private. So if you've got your channel subscriptions public, then anybody that wants to redirect you can. You have to get their coded channel name. So I have to have this entire link right here. You have to get the coded channel name.
All right.
That right there. That's what you have to paste. And watch. Now I'll go back to my channel. And I'll go here. And paste. And then under when
you
I do
cannot
it,
just type in the name, Roy.
You cannot just type in the name. You have to paste in that link with their code. And then they will pop up right here. And then you can add them.
Okay, so it's
so that's what we do for allowing people to redirect to us. That was the step for that part. So everybody that has a YouTube channel can do that. Cool. That means you big dogs out there can go and help us little dogs out here. And that will fix you up so that if you want to allow redirects, people can redirect and do a raid to your channel or a crash. But we'll say raid. I like raid better. So
exactly.
It's just like that.
So now the next part of it, Roy. So what do now the one who is going to do the redirecting do? In this case, me.
So here I am. I'm in YouTube Studio. Go to Content. And then the live stream we're going to raid.
Me. This is what you're going to do if you're the one who's going to do the redirect, right?
Yeah,
Roy?
this is what you would do, Lala. If you were going to redirect to someone, you do this. All right, so then you go to that and you click on View in Live Control Room. The little icon there looks like a broadcast symbol. Looks like you're getting ready to do Bluetooth to your computer. And then you hit Edit.
Edit.
And then under Customization. Now, I don't have this feature yet because I've got a few more to go before I get to 1,000. But now we're going to flip. So here it is. And the setting's going to be there. And Lala is going to show us on hers. So we're going to now flip back to Lala where she shows us
we're gonna
her
flip
screen.
back to this. All right.
So now under Customization.
Okay, Customization.
So,
done.
Yep. And then on the right side, scroll up just a little bit so we can see the redirect allow there.
Here?
Okay, right there. All right, there. So right where it says redirect, you're going to click add.
Add.
And then hopefully whoever's live is going to show up.
What Marcus is saying, click on other channels?
Yeah, you could go there, other channels, and see what shows up over there. Maybe type in tech under where it says other channels, type tech Troublemaker over there.
Yeah. Oh, there.
There it is. There. Yay. All right, click that one.
Thank you, Sammy. Oh, was it Sammy or was it? Okay. No. It was Marcus. Marcus, thank you, Marcus. All right. So what do I do now, Roy?
Click on it, and there should be a button somewhere that says something. Oh,
okay,
there
guys,
we go.
Be ready. We're going to do
scroll
the
down
redirect.
just a hair. Hit save. Hit save. Hit the save button there.
Okay,
see that save button? Save. Right. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now life is good. Now, when you're ready to end the stream, I'd end it in Ecamm. I wouldn't do it in the YouTube studio.
Oh, okay. I have to end it on Ecamm.
Yeah, that's where you want to stick with. That way you don't get confused. That way everything's like you used to.
So what if I'm not on Ecamm? I'm on, let's say, for example, Restream or StreamYard. You have to end it from there.
Whatever you do, you hit the end button. Whatever ends your stream and whatever platform you're on, that's what works.
Okay. So guys, this is it. We're going to do the redirect. And so guys, don't go anywhere. Right, Roy? Stay put. The next time you see Roy is going to be in his channel. This is going to be the redirect. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! Did Lala do something? Well, we got Super Floop here, so... Super Floop, did you redirect here? Or did you join early? There we go. There it goes. Let's see it on the screen. I should be showing my screen. You should see this because this was cool. Wrong one. Let's go to the right tab for you, though. So crazy. Anyway, shows up right here. Look, Mommy God. Mommy God and their subscribers just joined. Say hello. All right, get Mommy God. There she is, guest in the green room. And you're going to be guest 1. Hey, Mommy, can you hear me?
I can.
Yay.
Hi, everyone.
It worked. Woo! Yay. All right, yeah. How's everybody doing? I love when technology works.
Is everybody here? Hashtag Mommy Raid. There you go. I clicked the go now. Hashtag Mommy Raid. It worked. Right. Woohoo!
I love when technology works.
Absolutely. Again, this was inspired by live streaming pros doing this live with Roy. And then I asked Roy if we can also do it because I also want to do this to the community, right? So after me and, another crafter or another Filipino YouTuber, I pass on the stream to them. Yay! Thank you so much, Roy.
All right. And then I want to formally introduce you. So let's do that. Yay, confetti! All right.